Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to center taskbar icons. To start, right-click on the taskbar, click on Search and then select Hidden. You will see that the search engine has been hidden. After this, right-click again on the taskbar and click on Lock the taskbar for editing. Again, right-click on the taskbar. This time from the toolbar, click on Links. You will right-click on Links and then click on Show Title. Now drag that Links section to the side of the Start menu. Then click on the bars on the side and drag all the icons to the center of the taskbar. Finally, right-click on the taskbar and prevent editing by clicking Lock the taskbar. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.